Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to install MongoDB. It's one of the NoSQL document-oriented database and how to install on Ubuntu operating system. So I have a Ubuntu 22.04 operating system, and I'm going to start the installation from there. So the prerequisite for this is you should have a Ubuntu operating system with a sudo user password. So which I have it. So hope you should also have it before installing, following this installation steps. So you can just run this command. Okay, so on the terminal window, some of the prerequisite package we need to install system packages. What I'll do is I'll just open the terminal window. You can do by pressing Ctrl Alt T. So I'll run this command. So it is asking password of my user. So some of the package it's trying to install. So it is done. The next step is you need to import the public key for MongoDB on your system. So then run this command. So it is also done. Now add the MongoDB repository to the source list file. So we are going to install MongoDB 7 version. Copy this entire command, and just paste it here. So you can also, once this is done, you can just cat this command to verify it. So it is inside that it referenced that repository. Now, yeah, I just did this command already. Now we can actually update our local package index. So you can run this sudo apt command. Sorry. So whatever the package we did there, it is just updating the package, means repository, the MongoDB repository. Now we will start. Okay, so to install MongoDB, just say sudo um, apt install MongoDB-org. So -y is nothing but it will prompt that do you want to continue kind of thing, right? So we are just saying yes for that. So it is going to install it. So it is going to consume some 530 MB of disk space. So again, based on your internet bandwidth, it will take some time. Just make sure you have a proper internet. It's the speedy internet. So it is installing. It's trying to create a user group. This is done. Okay. Now let's clear the screen. You can check the MongoDB version using MongoD version after installation. Just a minute. So you will see this output DB version 7.0.4. So it's successfully installed. We'll do a couple of steps. So you can also verify the status by running this service command. Systemctl sudo systemctl status mongod. So it says active, and then to start. Okay, so we'll just say start this. Check the status now. It says active and running. So here it was saying inactive, so I just started with that. Sudo systemctl start mongod. Now it started running. And to check, there's a default port number 27017. Can run this SS command. So this is also the port is also listening. The default port number is listening. So MongoDB is service is running. Okay, so verify the running expected. Okay, this command will help you to sudo system ctl enable MongoDB on system load. If you want to open the MongoDB, then you can run this command. To access the MongoDB, you can type this Mongo shell, Mongo sh. This is the command line tool to interact with your MongoDB instance. Okay, so we are using this. So this is the connection URL for MongoDB instance. Show DBS. It will show you the databases. So there are admin config local databases. Let's create a database. To create a database, you just say use database name. So you don't need to create command. Just say use it, and then now try to create a user. I'm going to create a user called DataMaking and welcome on status password, and then read it permission to this social media DB. Okay, so using the db dot create user command, just running this. It says I think okay, so it's I think created. Let's run this command db dot get users. You see data making user is created. Show user also I think you can. Okay, this is also fine. So we were able to successfully install the MongoDB instance and create a simple database and a user. So further videos will create a lot of in MongoDB. I'm very sorry. In MongoDB we create collections. It's like table in database or DBMS database, and each document is nothing but row in a database. So we'll do in the future video. I hope this video is helpful for you to understand how to install MongoDB on Ubuntu operating system. If you have any question, please put the your question or queries on the comment section of this video. I'm happy to help you. Thank you so much, friends.